Hi guys, good afternoon, hello, hi everyone. So I'm aware that Stephanie did let everyone know that I will be the one going on camp alone today for the weekend. I'm packed, I'm ready, I'm going. So I'm going to Kogel Bay right now, and this will be the first time that I'm doing the vlogging and everything. So yeah, hope you enjoy this journey with me, and the weekend I will try and do my best. Stephanie, just put a pause there, but yeah, because I know she has a lot of expectation from me and for the video editing and everything, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the journey with me and be safe on the roads. So made it here safely to Kogel Bay. Just want to show you guys the view that we have. This is our campsite that we've got over here. I set up the camera to do the whole setup like Stephanie asked me, but I forgot, and I was also rushing because that beautiful sunset is gone and we're just trying to get done before it gets really dark, because we still have to make food, set up some stuff. There's more tents. I think we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tents, 2 gazebos, and yeah, my one cousin is lost, so I just have to drive to go and get him. But yeah, this is our setup that's done over here. Because of time, we are not braaiing tonight, but we're having Gatsby. All thanks to my aunt, she made it for us. So we're having a chilled night. We're just gonna chill, and we finished setting up everything. It's a little bit dark, but this is our gazebo. So this is our chill area. So I just finished setting up the bed. Yeah, as you guys can see, it looks a little bit lonely because I am alone. So yeah, it's gonna be cold. I'm right next to the beach, literally, and yeah, I'm just gonna try and enjoy the evening. We're just chilling now. It is a little bit dark outside, so I'm not sure if I can get some footage, but yeah, we're just chilling and enjoying the evening and talking and everything. So I will see you guys in the morning. So good morning from Kogel Bay. The morning was quite misty and cold as expected, especially here next to the beach area. It looks really lovely. Yeah, so my cousin just went to go get another partner that's also coming for the Saturday only. So as soon as they come, and then we're gonna start making breakfast, and then hopefully do a hike somewhere here. Yeah, that view behind me looks really nice. Yeah, we're going hiking, or otherwise we're just gonna chill for the day, and hope you guys enjoy it. The log that's over there was at another campsite, and there was actually no one there, so we just took the opportunity to bring it there to our campsite. Phew, that was a workout because me and my cousin over there rolled it, and yeah, as you guys can hear on my breath, it's a hell of a workout to have gotten it here all the way over there. Was the whole drive through over there. We went to go get it, but yeah, it was worth a while because otherwise we would have burnt out all our wood, and we want to actually use our wood later on for a pochi that we're gonna make. So this log we're gonna kill so that we can put him on the fire. But that's gonna take a while. So this is the ablation area, and also where the bins is locked closed, because I don't think I mentioned this, but there is baboons here. We didn't see them yet, but we know that they are here somewhere. So yeah, so this is the ablation area. This is the showers. Quite decent, it's clean. Basin, toilet area, nice. Play park area.
People look easy. That would
Those guys could be guys.
They might show.
As you guys can see, I've got other glasses on because I don't know why, what made me think that I can go into the beautiful seawater over here with my glasses. And first wave that I went through, my glasses went missing with the wave. So yeah, that's also just a step to Stephanie. I need another pair of glasses. But the water here is very nice. It's not my usual cold scene that I will see there by Luxembourg, but it's really nice. It wasn't too cold for you to say that you want to just be in there for 1 minute and leave, but so far Kogel Bay has been good for us. morning from Kogel Bay. Look at this beautiful view that we see over here. So I made it safe at home now, and it was a really nice weekend away with the guys at Kogel Bay. We enjoyed it. We made the best memories. One thing that did stand out for us was that the weather was perfect. Even though it was raining during the week, we thought that it would be raining also the weekend, but it was really good. It really worked out in our favor, and all the activities and stuff that we done. Like we went for the walk this morning. I'm sorry I didn't get that footage, but yesterday it was also another hike, and yeah, we just really enjoyed it and made the most memories that we could. And yeah, I didn't get all the details with how much it is per the plot and per person because we were quite a lot of people, so I will try and figure that out, and then just you can get the link at the bottom as well, or you can follow the link below to see how much it is per weekend or per night as well, or per person. So we will try and get that details on there. But thank you very much for coming along with me on this camping experience, and I'm sure that Stephanie she's gonna have a hard time with editing this video and putting together everything that I've got for us now over the weekend there, and I'm sure this isn't gonna be the last one. It's the first of many more trips that I will do alone and try to vlog as well. But yeah, I really enjoyed it and hope to see you guys in the next video.